Since I'm 17, which is a couple months away from being 18, which means I'll be legally an adult, which means I have to start paying taxes and get a job, it means I gotta start learning and acting like an adult. And the first step to doing that is saving money. And what does saving money involve? Eating microwave foods. So today I'm gonna eat this microwave pizza. Mainly just to train my body, because that's probably what I'm going to be eating for the rest of my life once I turn 18 and I am low on money. The microwave pizza I'm about to be making is called Tony's. It's Tony's night. Hey, yo, Tony Soprano. How about that brick's face when he's... Alright, so I gotta preheat this to 400 degrees. So, it's on, right? No. No, I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, so it's plugged in. How do I know it's on? Put out like 400. There we go. I imagine it's preheating right now, but... $400. Yeah, I'm gonna let it sit there. I'm gonna leave it like do that for like a couple minutes to make sure the oven's hot, and then I'm gonna put it in. Alright, so I imagine... Alright, so I imagine that it's done preheating. Means it's time to take it out the frozen wrapper. Gotta be careful with it, because... dang it. Oh wait, that was just a rat crawling up my foot. I thought the crumbs were spilling, but no, that was just a rat. Rat's probably waiting for me to drop some crumbs, actually. Alright. Oven ready for pizza. Andrew, ready for oven. This is how the Italians do it, just with one hand. Here we go. Just gotta slide it right there. That big old piece of pie. Alright, that's good. Alright, that's good. Do I push it more? That's good? Alright, that looks good, alright. Close that bad boy. Now we flip it and then we see the instructions. Raw cheese. Cook for 17 to 19 minutes. I'm gonna put 18. How about that? So, there you go. And I'll come back to you when it's done. Alrighty, pizza update. It's halfway there and it's starting to poof up a bit. That's a good sign. Next time I get a mic, I forgot to do this because I was actually thinking if I should do it or not. But next time, I have a couple mushrooms in the fridge. I can chop these up and put them in the pizza before I bake them. Because I'm one of the rare people who enjoy mushrooms on their pizza, unironically. And mushrooms in general. Like, I don't mind them. They're alright. It's like eating peanuts. Alright. It's done. Look at that bad boy. Alright, let me get the plate and let me put it on the plate. I'll be right back. Here we go. Take these two. Left. Easy. I gotta be careful. I gotta be careful. I don't want to burn myself. I don't want to burn it myself. I want to burn myself. There we go. And here it is. The pizza. Plate won't even big. Plate was literally just the right size for it too. But I think it's time we dig in. Let me get a fork and knife and let me do the taste test before I eat this. Here's a good old, okay, here's a fork and here's a stabby stab. Yeah, there you go. All right, here we go. Cut myself a piece. Nice little square. There we go. All right. Got a piece. Bottoms up. Sauce is just a little more on the sweet side, but not too much to where it's overwhelming. Cheese really melts in your mouth, which what you would expect cheese to do. Really blends well with the dough and the sauce. And the pepperoni had a little crunch to it. It's pretty good. So, Tony's microwave pizza. For a microwave pizza, I wouldn't say my first microwave pizza because I've had microwave pizza before, mainly in the small version. But Tony, this is a really good first impression. I'm proud of you and keep up the good work. So Tony Soprano's pizza, microwave. .1. That is my number. That is my review. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.